See, कितें action कितें घेवपाचें आहा. As far as our government is concerned, we will take action if need be. If contractor has not done his duty or no, as far as he has defaulted, as far as this thing is concerned, substandard work is concerned, that will be taken care of. Let the smart city work be completed first. After that only, once that is complete, then we will know what are the
smart city corporation.
As far as with CM we had inspection. I had inspection. After me, CM also came and we had a joint inspection. So the time frame basically which has been given is by the MD. That so and so time this thing will be done. No, that is the reason what I'm trying to say. You just meet the MD and ask him. He will be able to tell you the we are giving you time frame as per the MD's as an MD.
So MD is misguiding people and MLA, sir.
Sorry?
MD is misguiding people and MLA.
I would not like to make any comment on the MD. But I am just trying to tell you whatever commitment or whatever dates what CM also has given is basically given on the basis of the dates given by the MD. So he is the best person basically who will answer to this. I am not who is to criticize and all, let everyone criticize. I had told you earlier also we'll meet in 2027.